Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Monday, January 22nd, 2018. Today's I can statement is I can explain Jefferson's contributions as president. Sorry, I forgot the S. Your agenda today is pretty simple. You're going to write in your I can statement in your agendas. You're then going to create a new unit page in your notebook and title it Young Nation for your Do Now. Don't forget to put in your table of contents, always necessary. And then, of course, you're going to write your notes on Thomas Jefferson's presidency for page number 1. I apologize for not being there today. However, it was unavoidable. I will be back tomorrow, so no worries. Wherever you leave off in your notes, I will pick up when I return. In regard to your tests, I still have the essays to grade for periods 1, 2, and 3 for your summative. Keep in mind those grades will go up as soon as I finish grading them. Also for 4th and 6th period, your extra credit still needs to be graded. I'll take care of that as well while I'm taking care of my sick child. We will also go through the tests later in the week when we have an opportunity once we get finished with the Jefferson notes. If you have any questions throughout, please make sure that as you take your notes, you are writing your questions in the left-hand margin so that you can ask me when I return, so that any questions you may have can be answered. Please write them down. No matter how silly it may seem, it may be something that we need to discuss in class. All of your notes for these particular videos, the links will be posted on Google Classroom for 1st through 3rd, and it will be posted in the links on my webpage for 4th and 6th, and anybody who is in 1st through 3rd who's not yet in Google Classroom. And again, if you have any questions, just put them down in their left-hand margin. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen.